Good morning students. Welcome to online computer science class. Standard 4, chapter 3, topic internet, session 2. In today's class, we are going to learn about modem and some terms related to internet. The first one is modem. The expansion of modem is modulator and demodulator. Modem is an electronic device used for converting analog data to digital data and vice versa. The computer can only understand digital data, whereas data can flow only in an analog form via telephone cables. So the telephone cables can only transfer analog data. Modem, which is connected to the source computer, converts the digital data to analog data. This process is called modulation. At the destination computer, these analog data will be converted into digital data. This process is called demodulation. So, the process of modulation and demodulation is carried out by modem. The two types of modems are inbuilt modem, that is internal modem, and the second one is external modem. The internet connection is also possible over wireless networks like Wi-Fi and mobile network. Next, we will learn about the terms related to internet. We will see some terms related to internet. The first one is WWW. The expansion of WWW is World Wide Web. It refers to the content available on the internet. And the second one is website. What is meant by website? The computers connected to the internet serving contents are called website. And the third one is home page. The home page is the first or main page of any website. So the first or main page of any website is called home page. And the fourth one is web page. One of the sets of content items served by a website is called web page. So in one website, it can have more than one web pages. The fifth one is HTML. The expansion of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. The use of HTML is used to describing the web documents. That is, it is used to design the web pages. And the sixth one is HTTP. The expansion of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a technology to access website contents stored in the form of web pages. So it is used to access the web page content. The seventh one is HTTPS. The expansion of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So it is used for some secure purpose. The security purpose is used for communication over a computer network. So it is used for secure communication over a computer network, and it is widely used on the internet. And the eighth one is FTP. The expansion of FTP is File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and server on the computer network. And the ninth one is web browser. It is commonly referred to as browser. It is a software application and it is used for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Some examples for web browsers are Internet Explorer, Firefox, etc., Chrome, etc. And the last one is search engine. A search engine is an information retrieval system designed to help and find information stored on a computer system. So the examples of search engine or Google, Yahoo, etc. Now we come to the end of this session, that is question session. The first question is expand modem. What is meant by modem? What is the expansion of modem? Modulator and demodulator. Yes. And the second question is define home page. What is meant by home page? The first or main page of any website is called home page. And the third question is expand HTML. What is the expansion for HTML? Yes, hypertext markup language. Very good. And the last question is what is modem? What is modem? Yes, it converts the analog data to digital data and digital data to analog data. Very good. Thank you, students. Bye.